Hello, welcome to Buds. Today we're taking a look at our 2019 Ram 1500 Crew Cab Limited. 5.7 Hemi with the e-torque in there, trailer tow package on this, 22-inch rims. You can see the trailer tow mirrors there. Mopar tonneau cover around back. Class 4 hitch receiver down low, 4 and 7 pin. Power folding and retractable running boards on this, so they come out from underneath the doors when you open them and fold away when you're driving. Beautiful truck. Now this is a crew cab, a little bigger than previous models. Nothing wrong with a little extra room. As you can see, the step come out. This is a certified truck, so you're getting some extra factory warranty with it. Up front, we got the bucket seats. That all new redesigned console in there. The big 12-inch touchscreen radio. All the power features you can imagine. Heated, cooled seats, memory features, passive entry, blind spot monitoring. The list goes on and on and on. Folks, if you have any other questions about this truck or any vehicles here at Buds Chrysler, don't hesitate to give us a call or send us an email. Thanks again and have a great day.